Throw it in there. Kick your ball in there. Throw it in there. It's a good spot for it, isn't it? What are you gonna do? Yay! That looks like a good basket, doesn't it? Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Ready? Kick it in there. Put it in there. Put your ball in there, Emerson. Put it in there. Put it in here. Go in there. Put it in there. In there. Oh, okay. That's fine too. Or in there too. Yay!